Hey, it's Brian from RX Safety, and today we're going to check out a lineup of prescription safety sunglasses from Bobster. So you might know Bobster as the motorcycle sunglasses brand, but recently they've expanded into other industries like safety, law enforcement, military, and power sports industries. To start, we've got the Bobster Ambush 2. So these glasses have a removable foam gasket, which is going to increase comfort and give you more of a sealed fit. So dust or debris can't get into your eyes. They have the Bobster logoing on the temple bar there. They're just a great, sleek, wraparound look. The foam gasket also adds another dimension to these glasses from looking at them from the front, because it's got this ridged piece up top that looks really cool. So the Ambush is made of a durable nylon frame and actually has interchangeable lenses. So these pop out and you can change to different lens colors. Another feature of this removable foam gasket is it's going to manage air circulation and reduce fogging. They also feature Bobster shatter-resistant lenses, which are prescription available. The foam gasket's going to be really comfortable on your face, so these are perfect for someone who wears safety glasses for a long period of time. These are also going to be ANSI Z87 Plus approved, so you have all the high-impact protection as well. Next up, we have the Bobster Whiskey. So these are another wraparound style frame, definitely a bigger field of view than the Ambush, so if that's something you're interested in, these might be great for you. So yeah, that wide field of view is just going to give you full wraparound protection as well. They have the rubberized nose pads here, which is going to increase comfort. They're going to help them stick to your face when you're working, so you can kind of move around a little bit better with these. They're made of a high quality polycarbonate frame, so they're going to meet the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standards, and they're also going to have ballistic protection as well. So yeah, great matte black frame. They have the anti-fog lenses equipped as well, so it's going to reduce fogging. So these are just really versatile as well. They make great prescription safety glasses, motorcycle glasses, prescription shooting glasses, and yeah, just a really stylish frame, perfect for going out or for work. Next up, we've got the Bobster Shield 3. So this is definitely a louder pair, definitely going to help you stand out for sure. These yellow tinted lenses here. They have this frameless construction, which makes them really light. So you can see the lenses pretty much make up the entirety of the frame here. So yeah, really light, really durable. Yeah, just a super stylish pair. Really cool, just kind of different looking pair. They also feature the anti-fog coating on these lenses, so fogging shouldn't be a problem. They have this closed cell memory foam material as well on the inside. It's going to keep them comfortable, keep any dust and debris from getting in your eyes. Another great thing about these glasses is they actually float in water. So if you're a fisherman, bring these out with you and you'll be good. And just like the other glasses we've talked about, these also meet the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standards for optimal protection. So lastly, we've got the Bobster ESB. So these are definitely more of a full eye shield type safety glasses. They have interchangeable lenses as well. So this is the orange color, they have a clear, they have a smoke gray as well. They have adjustable temple bars so they can fit any head shape and size. Rubberized nose pads as well. That's going to keep them securely in your face, keep them comfortable. So yeah, super durable. They meet the ANSI Z87 Plus safety standards. They're also rated for ballistic protection as well, so they're great shooting glasses. So the adjustable temple bars make it so they can fit under a helmet as well. These are perfect for military and law enforcement. Minimal design, but just, yeah, really easy to change out the lenses. Yeah, just a great eye shield. Bobster is distributed in over 30 countries, and they make some of the most cutting-edge safety glasses. If you're interested in any of the glasses we talked about in the video, the links will be in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment or reach out to us at rxsafety.com.